All right, so new monoclonal antibody, and this drug binds vascular endothelial growth factors, and they're improving it, and now it only does the fragment FAB. So compared to the other one, how would this react? Well, it will have increased tissue penetration. That's the answer. The reason why is the FAB region is the part that actually binds, the VEGF and HER2, for instance. And each antibody has two Fab regions, so it can bind to two antigen molecules. And the FC region is the one that interacts with the immune system, like macrophages and natural killer cells and complement systems. And it determines how the immune system responds to the antibody-bound target. So why use Fab instead of the whole antibodies? Well, Fab are smaller, and so they're more able to reach different little tissues, increased tissue penetration, better pharmacokinetics, right? They can clear the blood faster because they lack the FC, so they're like not going to stay around for a long time. Reduced immune system activation. They lack the FC, and they do not activate complement and trigger other horrible stuff, right? So decreased renal, that's wrong. Smaller molecules get filtered out more easily, so no. That doesn't make any sense. Increased complement activation. Complement activation requires FC, so that doesn't make sense. Increased FC receptor binding onto macrophages. Well, FC receptors recognize the FC, and since Fab don't have the FC, how can they recognize those receptors? Doesn't make sense. Increased antigen binding affinity. Fab fragments still contain the same antigen binding as the full antibody, so you're crazy. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful. If it wasn't helpful, unsubscribe. I'm trying to get down to 0 followers if my content sucks.